sign says, kick me. I'm sure you know what to do, right? Of course, miss.
Na 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 na. Zero emissions. Duh, duh, duh. Does your sleigh have rocket boosters? Is it eco-friendly? Guess what? I'm a vegetarian, are you? What's your favorite veggie day? You're the best. You're awesome. Can you come over for dinner tonight? Guess what? My dad's hydrogen hybrid has zero emissions. You have a severe case of halitosis. It's horrible. Even though I don't believe in you and you smell, I still think you're a nice man.
Fine. I'll go get the stuff for you in the bathroom. He doesn't like you! You're such a bitch! Sure, Jimmy. I'd love to hang out. I'll totally hang out with you now. I can always study later. I have some free time. Sure, let's hang out. Casey keeps being mean to me. Oh, I want to get him. Will you put this sign on his back? I'm embarrassed to ask, but I want to put chocolate in someone's locker. Will you please do it for me? Whenever I go to the library, the nerds are mean to me. Will you walk me there and make sure I'm okay? There's a tennis club somewhere near here, but I can't find it. Can you show me where it is? I promised Mandy I'd pick her up some new stockings. Will you go with me to the store? Will you please get me back to school, please? I'm scared. Hey, stop that! You are so disgusting. Ouch! Ow, that hurt! That's so cool! Yay! Oh no! You shouldn't be doing dangerous stuff like that. Out of my way. Just kidding. I'm such a klutz. Sorry. Okay. Hello? Walk much? Ugh, oh, loser. Watch where you're going, jerk. What, are you too busy setting fire to watch where you're going? Ow, jerk. If you don't know how to drive it without hitting people, you shouldn't be on it. You could really hurt someone like that. I have work to do. I'll see you around. I'm already behind schedule. I really have to go. I have to go tutor someone. We'll talk later, maybe. Yay! That was great! That was kind of disappointing. You want to hop in and help me out? Somebody help me! Come back here, you! Quit running and fight me like a man! I won't forget this! If you're so tough, then why don't you come back here? You're not worth it. Why am I so attracted to bad boys? Does my breath stink? I hope my breath doesn't stink. I know I'm forgetting to do something today. He wouldn't be so bad if he just cleaned up a bit. I wish I could go to school 7 days a week. You know, despite all the jerks in this place, I really love this school. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this. Ay. Way to go. Good job. Anywho, oh, you know what? I don't know why everyone feels the need to fight so much in this school. Guys can be real jerks at this school sometimes. Do you think that Johnny and Biff will fight each other? I thought this school was supposed to be prestigious, but all I see are kids fighting and ditching class. I think all this craziness will stop one day. I think the greasers get a bad rap at this school. They've always been nice to me. I think the new boy might actually be okay. I can't wait for the carnival. This is my favorite time of year. I can't even get to class without being collateral damage in a snowball fight. Did you hear that one of the teachers is selling test answers? I can't even go to the library anymore. The place is completely infested with rats. I really don't think the townies did this by themselves. How would they have known so much about our school? I think Jimmy is kind of cute. I know, right? I can't believe it. I guess. I'm not sure. I wish I wasn't so trusting. I think I focus too much on school sometimes. I really messed that up. I am so naive sometimes. I'm really sorry about that. I wish there was something I could do. Things will get better. I promise. Well, you can be a jerk sometimes. This place is really getting scary. I really don't like where the school is heading. Everyone seems to be jerks in this place. This is supposed to be the best years of our lives, but look at this place. Bye-bye. After a while, Crocodile. See you around. I really love art class. I think I'm going to get straight A's this year. I don't like to call people nerds. I get along with everyone. I think the boys like me, right? That's great. I'd be very happy if I were you. I guess. Have you ever been to the carnival? Do you ever go into town? Have you ever been to the old observatory? Have you ever been in a fight? Have you ever kissed a boy? Sure, all the time. I really enjoy it. Not really. Nope, can't say that I have. Okay, oh, that is so gross. Quit it, jerk. You're making it very hard to be friends. Are you trying to make me hate you? What? You think just because I'm a girl I can't fight? You are mine, bitch. I'm gonna make you my bitch. I'm gonna tear your ass up. Why would you hit a girl? Oh, my nose. That didn't go the way I expected. Could somebody please call the nurse? I really don't want to have to do this, but you forced my hand. Bring it, bitch. Oh, weirdo. I normally don't like this kind of thing, but this is kind of fun. Don't hurt each other too much. Yay, big jerks fighting. Who did that? Whoever did that is a real jerk. Could we go a month without some juvenile prank, please? I know what you're thinking, and it's a bad idea. Calm down. I was only kidding. You ruined my sweater. Take this, jerk. What are you doing? Get away! the term freak. Here you go. What's up? Hi! I'm so glad I saw you today. Hello. Hello, sir. That's a really cool outfit. Jimmy! Hi, sweetie. You got a haircut, didn't you? It looks good. That hat is great. Your pants look cute. I love your shoes. That shirt is really neat. I wish they'd grow faster. What's the point? He doesn't like me. Okay, so here's the deal. I need you to do this. Would you mind giving me a hand? Are you trying to be a jerk? Oh my God! Why are you such a jerk? What? You're such a jerk! You are so stupid! You really are an embarrassment! You look ridiculous! One of these days, I'm going to get him! Jimmy, can you help me, please? He's such a creep, Jimmy! I need your help! Get it away! Get it away! Get it away! I wish you would leave me alone. Can't you take a hint? I don't like you. Oh, great. What do you want? Yay, Jimmy! Hey, Jimmy! How's it going, Jimmy? Why would you think I would want to talk to you? Are you still here? I don't talk to jerks. As if. Yeah, like I'd talk to you. Leave him alone! I'll help you! Are you a little lost? Neato! That was so great! That was uninspiring. That's so disappointing. Stop it! Stop it! Don't you have anything better to do? You are so juvenile. Grow up! I never get used to the smell. I have to get out of here. I hope they have my size. I wish it was a different color. This is way too expensive. This is cute. Could you stop defacing that wall, please? Excuse me, but I know who did it. I'm gonna tell on you. I'm telling. I don't care if you call me a snitch. I'm telling. I'm gonna tell someone you did that. Excuse me, but I know who did it. I think I can help you out with who did it. I hope I'm doing this right. You're a jerk. I hate you. What do you think of this, creep? I don't like you. Loser. Go to hell. What are you gonna do about it? I have more where that came from. I know you're new here, but that doesn't give you the right to be a jerk. You look so lame in that. That is the worst haircut I have ever seen. Those pants look kind of weird on you. You really need to get better looking shoes. That shirt looks awful. Really? A tattoo? Isn't that a little too 90s? Next you'll be growing a goatee. You look excellent today. What happened to you, Jimmy? You look good, but you're still a jerk. Oh, no. Whatever. Yeah. Right. Of course you would say that. Wow, you're an articulate one. Yeah, well, you're an ass. Do you even know what that means? Oh, big tough guy picking on a girl. You know you're talking trash to a girl, right? I no longer enjoy your company. I say good day, sir. Good day. You really are a jerk. Why won't you leave me alone? I don't understand. I never did anything to you. Can't you pick on someone else? Hey, Jimmy, follow me. Come on, this way. Thank you, Jimmy. You're the best. I don't deserve a friend like you. Why did he do that? Please, don't. I'll do anything you want. Don't. This is so gross. You should take that hat off. It makes you look like a dork. You're so sweet. I won't tell anyone. Just please leave me alone. I'm sorry. Just let me be. Jimmy, you're messing up. Don't blow this. When will it end? Is that what I think it is? Could you please put that back on?